If you've ever wondered, what books should I read to be a billionaire or to become financially independent? Then you're on the right track. From Warren Buffett to Bill Gates, the world's most successful people have always been affluent readers. So if you want to be financially successful, affluent, and retire early, one of the most important things you can do right now is crack open a book. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we've put up a list of the top 12 personal finance books to read this year for you. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let's dive in. A good personal finance book will provide you with useful advice on how to manage your spending, savings, debt, and investments. All of that is covered in this collection of top finance books. Number 12. Why didn't they teach me this in school? The most common response when asked what they wish they had learned more about in school is finance. Why didn't they teach me this in school is Carrie Siegel's title, and it is about how to properly manage one's finances. Siegel, a retired business leader, divides the book into 99 principles and 8 money lessons that he believes you should have learned in high school or college but didn't. When he discovered his 5 children didn't understand crucial personal finance fundamentals before entering the real world, he wrote this book for them. But it turned into a well-reviewed read, packed with money lessons as well as direct experience and guidance from Siegel. This easy-to-understand book is perfect for recent graduates or anyone wishing to get their personal finance path off to a good start. Number 11. Rich Dad Poor Dad. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is certainly familiar to you, but there's a reason it's been around for more than 2 decades. Kiyosaki discusses what he learned growing up from his father and a friend's father, the latter of whom is the rich dad in the title, in one of the most popular personal finance books of all time. These topics include how to get rich without making a lot of money, assets and liabilities, and why schools won't teach your children what they need to know about personal finance. The author provides an update on all things money, the economy, and investment in this 20th anniversary edition. Number 10. The Total Money Makeover. The health of your personal finances is heavily influenced by debt management. Do you require any assistance in this area? Take a look at The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This New York Times bestseller demonstrates how to get out of debt and improve your financial situation by avoiding typical hazards such as rent-to-own, cash advances, and credit cards. It also includes sound advice on how to build an emergency fund, save for college and retirement, and use Ramsey's infamous snowball method to pay off debt. Number 9. The Automatic Millionaire. Who doesn't aspire to be a multimillionaire? The New York Times, USA Today, Bloomberg Businessweek, and Wall Street Journal business bestseller The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach teaches you how to achieve precisely that. The book begins with the account of a couple who jointly earns $55,000 per year and how they attained their financial goals. Consider owning 2 homes, paying for their children's college educations, and retiring at 55 with a $1 million retirement fund. What's the secret? Creating a financial system that not only pays you first, but that also pays you automatically. Smart women finish rich, smart couples finish rich, and start late, finish rich are among Bach's other works. Number 8. Broke Millennial. This is the personal finance book for you if you can decipher #GYFLT. Hint: in social media language, #GYFLT stands for Get Your Financial Life Together. Broke Millennial by Aaron Laurie outlines how 20-somethings can take control of their own finances in a typical conversational way. This book covers the major money difficulties affecting millennials today, from understanding your relationship with money to managing student debt to disclosing the details of your finances with a spouse. Number 7. The One-Page Financial Plan. Confused about your money, whether it's hard to invest wisely or how to deal with unexpected financial difficulties? The One-Page Financial Plan by Carl Richards takes the mystery out of managing your finances. This book not only helps you figure out what your financial goals are, but it also shows you how to achieve them in a one-page plan. Richards is a New York Times columnist and a certified financial planner. Number 6. I'll teach you to be rich. Being wealthy does not imply not spending any money. Financial guru Ramit Sethi explains in his New York Times and Wall Street Journal book, I Will Teach You to Be Rich, that you can spend your money guilt-free as long as it is invested and allocated appropriately. This book explains how to avoid all of the most frequent financial problems, from paying off student loans to saving money on a monthly basis, and even how to avoid late penalties. This 10th anniversary version offers new perspectives on technology, money, and psychology, as well as success stories from readers who have made money after reading, you guessed it, Sethi's book. Number 5. Clever Girl Finance. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, women still earn 82 cents for every dollar earned by males, while moms earn 71 cents for every dollar earned by fathers. In short, when it comes to money, women still have to put in more effort. Clever Girl Finance by Bola Sukunbi intends to empower and educate a new generation of women by discussing topics such as how to keep track of costs, make and stick to a budget, handle credit, save money, and take responsibility for one's own financial well-being. Sukunbi is the founder and CEO of the website Clever Girl Finance, as well as a certified financial education instructor. Number 4. The Psychology of Money. This is a fascinating look into the psychology of money and how your ego, previous assumptions, and even pride may influence your financial decisions. As you might assume, this isn't the best method to manage your financial portfolio, and Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money provides readers with suggestions and strategies for overcoming these prejudices through 19 short stories. Housel is a partner at the Collaborative Fund and has written for the Wall Street Journal as a columnist. Number 3. Your Money or Your Life. Vicki Robbins' Your Money or Your Life, which has sold over 1 million copies, lays out an easy-to-follow 9-step approach to help readers improve their relationship with money. This book will teach you how to get out of debt, get started investing, develop wealth, and even save money by using Robbins' distinctive mindfulness technique. Number 2. The Roadmap to Financial Wellness and a Purposeful Life. Jason Vitug's personal experiences and conversations with others about financial and life goals inspired this book. This book is centered on a cross-country road journey he conducted in 2016 to illustrate the concept of financial well-being. The book focuses on promoting financial wellness as a means of achieving a healthy and prosperous lifestyle. The major goal of this book is to aid readers in discovering their values before creating financial goals. It also explains how to create and use a budgeting system that reflects their ideals. However, there's one simple reality. Saving more than you spend, investing early and frequently, paying off debt, and using credit sparingly, building assets, and creating passive income are all good ways to manage your finances properly. Despite the fact that these simple rules have been repeated numerous times, many people still struggle to implement these financial ideas in their life. Number 1. The Power of Habit. In a nutshell, business reporter Charles Duhigg argues that our habits create or break us in this book. It then teaches us how to develop a positive habit-forming process and how to break negative ones, utilizing real-life examples such as Olympic gold medalist Michael Phelps's accomplishment. While not precisely a personal finance book, there's a great deal of information about money habits that we can all benefit from. This is a 3-step cycle that occurs in our brains. The cue, or trigger, informs your brain to go into automatic mode and which habit to utilize. The routine, which might be physical, mental, or emotional, comes next. Finally, there's a reward, the habit loop, which aids your brain in determining whether or not this particular loop is worth remembering in the future. With this, we've come to an end. We hope you'll find a method that works for you in at least one of these books. We'd also want to learn about your favorite personal finance books and money management publications. We've discovered that while there is no one-size-fits-all approach to debt and money management, each book contains at least one pearl of wisdom. Which one of these are you going to grab first? Let us know in the comment section below. Until then, fellas,